Welcome to the Guesty Help Center. Here you'll find all the information you need to make the most out of Guesty's features and get answers, ideas, solutions, and more. Let's start with the search bar. Simply type the information you're looking for and a list of relevant articles will appear. Click on an article to open it up. Then follow the step-by-step instructions, watch a video, or read more about our features. Make sure to keep an eye out for our useful tips and notes inside the articles. You can also browse our main categories for a general overview. Hover over each category to reveal more options. Choose a topic from the list or click all subtopics to see more. We especially recommend expanding your skills and knowledge with our video library and browsing our troubleshooting category, filled with a wide variety of smart and useful solutions. Keep in mind, you can access the troubleshooting category only when logged into Guesty. Feel free to give us some feedback. You can scroll down to the bottom of any article and click the yes or no buttons to let us know if it was helpful. You can also get in touch with our customer solutions team by scrolling down and clicking Contact Us. Want to see a history of your correspondence with the team? Click here. Enter your Guesty credentials and click Sign In. Now, click Profile in the top corner, select My Profile, and you'll see all previous correspondence right here. Click on any request to open it. Keep in mind, you can always return to the Help Center's homepage by clicking the Guesty Help Center at the top. Ready to start browsing? Let's go! Thanks for watching.